equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. First, unplug your Dyson HD01 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum cleaner. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off to expose the internal components. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. This is crucial for maintaining the performance of your Dyson. A clean interior will help prevent future issues. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any pressure. With the back cover removed, locate the cable connection point. You will see where the cable is attached to the main circuit board. Using your wire cutters, carefully snip the old cable, ensuring you do not damage any surrounding wires. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum repaired without any hassle. Next, take your new cable and strip the ends to expose the wires. You will need to connect these wires to the corresponding points on the circuit board. Make sure to match the colors correctly. Typically, the live wire is brown, the neutral is blue, and the earth wire is green-yellow. Securely twist the wires together and use electrical tape to ensure they are insulated properly. Once the new cable is connected, gently tuck the wires back into the casing. Replace the back cover of the vacuum and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightly fastened to prevent any movement during use. Before you test your vacuum, take a moment to clean the exterior. A clean vacuum not only looks good but also performs better. If you prefer, we can provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. Finally, plug your Dyson HD01 back into the power source and turn it on. Check to see if the new cable is functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the cable on your Dyson HD01. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you with your vacuum repairs right from your home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.